This is Dr. Victor Apel. Your smile is your #1 asset. Designing Smiles is a mini dental implant center of America and a state-of-the-art facility offering cosmetic and implant dentistry, centrally located at 1514 South Babcock Street in Melbourne. If you are missing one or more teeth or suffer from loose dentures, mini dental implants can be the solution to your problem. Maybe you have been told you need implants. You owe it to yourself to learn more about mini dental implants. I have placed mini implants with amazing results. Mini dental implants are 5 times less invasive, less pain, less healing time, less visits to the dentist, and the cost to you is less than older traditional implants. Whether you live in Melbourne, Cocoa, Vero Beach, or anywhere in between, we're here to help you.
Call Dr. Victor Apel today at 321-799-6603 to schedule your free consultation and let him create your winning smile.